I'd really like to be someone that works on those cars you see that are just take your breath away. Hi, my name is Lauren. I'm 25 years old and I am studying my Certificate 3 in Automotive Refinishing Technology. Spray painting interested me from a pretty young age, but coming from a small country town, my options were pretty limited. So I moved to Geelong by myself and I started my apprenticeship with the AMA group.
Not only have her skills absolutely developed in terms of her ability to put the paint on the cars, prep the cars, etc., but just her personal growth as well.
It's a job that is consistently giving back, and it's giving back to the community also. You know, you take someone's beaten up car and you make it beautiful again. You know, it's a really large job satisfaction for me.
Lauren's future's super bright. Apart from she'll complete her apprenticeship early, which is already a huge milestone, but then being able to be that leader and lead others that are coming into industry, especially providing that mentoring, support and guidance. And then not only that, I know she has a passion to be able to restore vehicles and make you in awe when you look at those vehicles in the future.
I have pretty high aspirations to get into fine restoration and take those skills across the world with me as a woman.